I'm going to show you how to make taco meat exactly like Taco Bell. You get a pan. You want to put a couple pounds of hamburger in it. It don't matter how much. It could be 10 pounds. It could be 1 pound. It could be, I usually use about 2 pounds. You just chop it up. Cook it. You keep chopping the whole entire time you're cooking. Just keep chopping it. I'll come back to you when it's finished. But that's all you do is you just keep chopping it up and chopping it up while it cooks. Alright, so you cook it up, you chop it until it's real fine. You got all the fat leaving the meat, so you want to drain it. Get you a strainer and you drain all the grease out of it. I'll come back to you when that's finished. Alright, so you remove all the grease. Turn the heat down a little bit. Remove all the grease and fat. You want to replace that with water. So I'm going to start out with a 1/4 cup. Now this you could just pour water in. This don't have to be precise. That's a 1/2 cup. 3/4. That's 1 cup of water so far. You want to water this down. We're going to add more in a minute. Right now we're going to add taco seasoning. Don't have to measure this. Basically, it's however much you like. Just keep mixing it in. And it doesn't matter what kind of taco seasoning either. That's not the secret. The secret is not the ingredients. Most taco seasoning is the same exact as each other. Same recipe. Keep adding taco seasoning. I buy the big jugs from Gordon's or Walmart, whoever has them. The big giant spice. Alright, so you want it to start to look like Taco Bell meat. And then start adding some more water. I'm going to add another cup. If it's too much water for you, just keep cooking it and the water will evaporate. I used to think it was something they did with their seasoning to make it that way, and it's all about texture. That's all it is. Now I'm gonna cook this about 5 more minutes. 5 more minutes. This will be. Might have to add a little more water. 5 minutes from now, or a couple minutes from now. But keep an eye on it. You know what? I'll go ahead and do it now. So far 2 1/4 cups of water. I'll keep track of it because I know some people have OCD, but it's all about the way it looks. Alright, it's been about 5 minutes. That's how you make Taco Bell meat. It looks greasy, but it's mostly water and taco seasoning. Tastes exactly like it. Like I said, it don't matter what kind of taco seasoning you use. You could add more or less water, whatever you want. I use 2 1/4 cups of water to make that. That's about 2 pounds of hamburger roughly. I don't measure things, I just cook them.